Okay, guys, I will continue with. I will realize another video, basically one protocol to heal constipation, and basically it was for cancer. Now I'm going to another patient, test patient, and in this case, I want to create one nutritional plan for constipation. The problem will be so it the patient also have parasites and fungi and bad bacteria, and the nutritional plan will start the ninth. Will be one vegan diet. Not will be for cancer, will be for constipation only. And I will, but let's to see what happens here. If you can see here, for now we have only 8 records. Should appear more after GPT response to my request. I at least 15. When GPT responds, we should have 15 records. Uh, let's to wait a moment. Meanwhile, let we check in the prompt that I request recently. The nutritional plan to heal constipation must be for 7 days. Every day must have 2 meals and at least 3 ingredients. That can be configured also with another input here to configure the amounts of meals and the amount of ingredients. That is not one problem. And you can see that the amount of records changed. That basically means that ChatGPT respond me. I have one response from ChatGPT, and this is the response where basically I added this protocol was to heal constipation caused by parasites, and I want to check one thing first. As you can see, every day have carrot juice, carrot juice, carrot juice, carrot juice, because I for this nutrition plan I saw that it is required for it. It is important to say that it was configured in the server, because if I only send one route request to ChatGPT only we sometimes add in an aleatory way foods. But according to some research that I was doing, I know that carrot juice is one really important part of the protocol to heal different diseases, including constipation, because if you have parasites, carrot juice will help to fight against it. Cabbage juice also, if you can see, cabbage is included in every day. Also powerful antiparasitic food, fight against bad bacteria, against also with fungi. Maybe I needed to create it to separate from the rest. For instance, if we check here, breakfast, we have that we must consume carrot juice with cabbage juice. It is not bad idea. Maybe it's not a good idea. Maybe it's a good idea, or maybe not. Depend of the amount of meals that you want for the patient. I was thinking separate only juices at the beginning, and after another breakfast with another foods. For me, that will be good, but it depends of the healthcare professional. Another really important thing, I want to check here if there are, for instance, castor oil. Castor oil, if I do check here, I asked also for castor oil. Include the first 2 days, the first day, 20 milligrams of castor oil, and repeat 3 days after. as a supplement. ChatGPT couldn't to achieve that, as you can see, because it's ChatGPT. ChatGPT is not no no it's not still one the perfect AI, but as you can see, it is helping a lot to create one nutritional plan for this case. Let's to realize. I believe that I'm going to realize another test for it. Because sometimes I had responses where ChatGPT is including supplements, as I am indicating here. I am saying, hey, a supplement. Propolis also a supplement. Include raw propolis twice by week. Propolis was capable to add propolis. Even free. This I added free. But I said include raw propolis twice by week. Okay. Here ChatGPT have problems to understand my my my, my prompt. That is one problem with it, but as you can see, it as template works. Basically, you can realize modifications here. After that, I fix this bug. I have one bug here. I cannot add another ingredient here until that I fix this bug. But after I will realize that. I want to realize another test. I want to delete information for all the patients, and I will realize the test again because I realized some tests previously and it created with supplements also. Let's create it. Let's to check now. We have 0 because I delete all my records. And after that we should have 7 again. Only if you have curious, I want to show my configurations. Maybe I believe that you will understand it. Where is it? Yeah, basically it. You can see it is a configuration that I realized parasites as the root of the protocol of as the roots of the nutritional plant. For instance, to kill parasites. Uh, Parasites must include propolis, castor oil, cabbage juice, sucrose, or sauerkraut. You can see here carrot juice also. This is the recommendation. Parasites has recommendation as you can see here in this graphic. It is one database if you are curious. Uh, Also, one problem, for instance, parasites. Diabetes has disease caused parasites because diabetes can be caused by parasites between another things. And chronic kidney disease also can be caused by parasites. And as you can see here, carrot juice has restriction if you have diabetes because you can drink normally as a normal people carrot juice. For a reason it have one restriction. I believe that GPT finally responds. Yeah, now I have the response, and I want to see what is the result that saying us. Okay, again, purple castor oil. This time I want to see, and wasn't capable to create castor oil also to include castor oil uh, in the protocol. In this case, also wasn't capable to include cargo use. That is a problem with ChatGPT. Maybe I was doing some enhancement in the way of the prompt. I will realize more tests with the prompt that offer OpenAI or OpenAI API is the same. OpenAI API is the same of ChatGPT, the same thing. Basically, offered one server to realize requests to the servers, and the server and only I am giving one structure to receive the information in this format. But as you can see in this case, GPT wasn't capable to include carrots used here. Only cabbage juice, castor oil, uh, also wasn't capable to include. That is one problem. Castor oil is really always on to fight against parasites because I say that by experience I was capable to. I am almost completely healthy after to fight against parasites, and was thanks to castor oil. No matter, I will realize some enhancements also. Maybe tomorrow I will return with diabetes. What happens with diabetes? Realize more tests for different diseases and see how is the behavior of this interface. Okay, guys, this is all for now. See you tomorrow.